Every group of teachers, every school embarks in professional learning. And on this occasion, we were doing a classroom task, and the first part of doing that is for the teachers to have an understanding themselves, to dive deeply into understanding a little more about common texts that are available in our everyday lives, in the form of photographs, posters, words and images on t-shirts and on clothing and on billboards and television. The texts appear on our computers and on our screens all the time. It helps us to maybe ask questions like, who was the author of that photograph or that YouTube clip? Who was the author of that book? Do they have a particular stand? Can we see that stand coming through in the way that they write or the way that they present? And in the process of doing that, who's missing from those texts? Who is not noticed in our society? And so, yeah, it's a deeper question about how we may not notice people in our own classrooms, and we may make assumptions about people. Is there such a thing as normal? That's the really serious question. The brilliance of the exercise is that it's so simple. One of our jobs in Aboriginal education is to support the broader, wider, non-Aboriginal community to really take time to understand Aboriginal people from their perspective, rather than try to understand from a preconceived idea. And so this exercise fits in beautifully with teachers learning more about themselves in order for them to learn more about the Aboriginal people in their classes and many, many other groups of people that could be construed as being different to the teacher. I felt that there were some really robust conversations towards the end. Some people were concerned that maybe we were getting overcritical about some of the texts, particularly if it involved local people. And I thought that that was a very good point. You know, we talked about the nature of what we call a mythical norm, but we're also not wanting to alienate or isolate or punish people who might consider that they do fit into that. And so I thought that the robust conversation was very good, that this is not about being politically correct. This is about really understanding from a deep place of hopefully confidence in self in order to be confident in relating to others. And that's what we're looking for. We're looking for teachers to have an opportunity to be transformational in the way that they relate to their children and their students and their families.